Welcome to Photos plus Foil equals Fun, a class where we will learn several different surface design techniques, all while making a fun little art quilt using whimsical vintage characters that I know you'll love. Ever wondered what Thermofax screen printing is all about? Want to add some super shine to your cloth? We'll lay down some lovely little wings with foil that is permanent and washable. I'll teach you a solvent transfer method that is cheap and easy and uses black and white laser copies. And if you want to print in color, we'll use transfer art paper that you can send right through your inkjet printer. Each of these methods is usable in your surface design work going forward once you have these techniques in your toolkit. So join me for Photos plus Foil equals Fun, and let's learn and play together.